Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error with Intel DCH graphics driver. So for fixing it we just need to go to our device manager. So let's open our Windows, start, and just go to search tab and just write in search tab device manager. Here you can see it, just click on it, open it. And here you need to find your Intel DCH display driver. So it must be in display graphics driver here. Here you can see Intel HD graphics. So just right click on it and choose update. So here you can see two different variants. So first option, it's search automatically for updated driver, so system will automatically download and install the latest driver to your computer. And second variant, it's to download it manually and just install by yourself. If you choose second variant, you just choose here a path to your file you already download and just install it to your computer. So after you do, just follow all the steps next and it will automatically install it to your computer. So after you do, just restart your computer and I hope it will help you. Or second variant, you can also try to right click on it and choose uninstall device, and after you uninstall it you just go to actions. So just go here to actions and choose scan for hardware changes, and it will find that you haven't uninstalled driver for one device, and it will automatically install, download and install the latest driver to your computer. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.